After age 70, the human body changes faster than most people realize. Muscle mass declines, reaction time slows, balance weakens, and bone density drops. But according to researchers at Harvard Medical School and the National Institute on Aging, a small percentage of older adults maintain physical abilities strongly linked to lower risks of disability, falls, hospitalization, and even early death. And here's the surprising part. These abilities are not controlled by genetics alone. In many cases, they are shaped by daily habits, movement, nutrition, and brain-body coordination that can still improve well into the 70s and 80s. Today, we're exploring 4 things most people over 70 struggle to do, and why scientists now consider these abilities major indicators of healthy aging. The first ability sounds simple: standing up from a chair without using your hands. Researchers found this movement reflects something called integrated functional fitness, a combination of strength, balance, mobility, and coordination. When you rise without support, your body activates the legs, glutes, core, ankles, and spinal stabilizers simultaneously. But after 70, sarcopenia accelerates. Sarcopenia is the age-related loss of muscle tissue. Adults can lose around 1% of muscle mass every year after middle age if they stay inactive. Fast-twitch muscle fibers, critical for stability and preventing falls, shrink dramatically with aging. This is where science becomes truly fascinating. Researchers at Mayo Clinic found lower body weakness is closely associated with inflammation, insulin resistance, and higher fall risk. In other words, weak legs often reflect whole body aging. But the most surprising finding came later. Studies from Tufts University showed adults in their 80s and even 90s could rebuild significant strength through resistance exercises. Scientists were shocked by how adaptable aging muscle still is. Simple habits like chair stands, slow squats, walking uphill, and eating enough protein can help slow muscular decline dramatically. The second ability may be even more important: walking at a fast pace. Researchers now call walking speed the 6th vital sign because it predicts hospitalization, cognitive decline, cardiovascular disease, and mortality surprisingly well. One major study found walking speed predicted survival rates more accurately than many medical tests. Why? Because walking requires coordination between the brain, lungs, heart, nervous system, joints, vision, and muscles. When walking speed slows significantly, scientists often see hidden biological decline underneath. But what researchers discovered next was shocking. Studies from University of Pittsburgh found physically active older adults maintained larger brain volumes compared to sedentary adults. Walking also boosts production of BDNF, a protein that supports memory, learning, and neuron survival. This may explain why regular walking is consistently associated with lower dementia risk. If you're learning something valuable so far, subscribe, because the third ability becomes even more revealing: balancing on one leg. Researchers increasingly view balance as a powerful indicator of neurological aging. A major study found that older adults unable to stand on one leg for 10 seconds had significantly higher mortality risk. Why does balance matter so much? Because balance is incredibly complex. Your eyes, inner ear, joints, muscles, nerves, and brain must communicate instantly to keep you upright. And aging disrupts all of it. Vision weakens. Nerve signaling slows. Muscle reactions decline. Inner ear structures deteriorate. This is why falls become so dangerous after 70. But researchers also discovered balance can improve through targeted training. Tai Chi, heel-to-toe walking, and single-leg exercises strengthen both muscles and neural pathways responsible for stability. And here comes the fourth ability: recovering quickly after physical effort, not athletic performance, recovery. Can your breathing normalize quickly after climbing stairs? Does your heart rate recover efficiently after activity? Scientists now consider recovery capacity one of the strongest indicators of biological resilience. As humans age, mitochondria, the energy-producing structures inside cells, become less efficient. Blood vessels stiffen, oxygen delivery declines, and repair processes slow down. But studies from Stanford University found aerobic activity can improve mitochondrial efficiency even later in life. Walking, swimming, cycling, and moderate cardiovascular exercise improve circulation, oxygen use, and inflammation markers. And this reveals one of the biggest misconceptions about aging. Many people believe decline is automatic and irreversible. Science says otherwise. Yes, aging changes the body, but inactivity accelerates those changes dramatically. The body still responds to movement, strength training, sleep, nutrition, hydration, and exercise far more effectively than most people realize. Even small habits create measurable biological effects. 10 minutes of walking after meals improves glucose control. Strength training stimulates muscle repair. Better sleep supports hormonal recovery. Balance training strengthens neural connections. The brain and body remain adaptable much longer than previous generations believed. So here's the real question. Can you still do these 4 things? Can you rise from a chair easily? Can you walk with speed and confidence? Can you balance steadily? Can your body recover efficiently after effort? Because modern research suggests these are some of the clearest signals of how well the body is truly aging. Aging is inevitable, but losing function faster than necessary may not be.